1984, guys, BMW 635 CSI European Edition. Really clean car. As you guys can see, it's got the BBS wheels. Really nice car. It's a two-owner car. He just bought it, or he's had it for a while actually. But look, there's the European tag. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like under. It's got a 3.2 liter inline six cylinder on it. And it's true dual from the factory, and these European cars don't come with a converter. As you guys can see, it's all factory. So I had a little leak there, we welded it for him. Still got a factory resonator there. Then his true dual continues into the muffler, and his hanger rotted out. So we put him a new hanger on it too, right there. So it's all original. Just wanted to show you guys something different. Something that you guys don't see every day. Really nice BMW. I like all cars, especially BMWs, Mercedes, Dodges, Ram, every car actually. I don't mind. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's nice and quiet now. Oh yeah, it stopped the leak. Give it gas? Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. There you go. BMW 635 CSI. That's what it sounds like. Just a nice factory car. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 93. Go ahead and back it up. Never seen that rear end on one like that. It's so aerodynamic, you know, for its year. Wow, look at that. It's really different. Look at that nose. That's so cool. That's so awesome. Go ahead. What do you guys think? I like it. It's different. We really appreciate it and bring it in and letting us do a video of it. Let you guys see the inside of it now. I'll show you how clean this car is, guys. You don't find them like this. It's garage kept all its life. Look at that. No crack in the dashboard, nothing. It looks like it just rolled off the assembly line. Look at that. So nice.